This has been such a fun machine for both myself and my family. Let's check it out. This electric citrus juicer is so fun and easy to use. Even my kids can be involved in the process. Gone are the days that my kids and I squeeze oranges and lemons. Now we use the electric juicer. It is so convenient for hand-free juicing with its easy-to-use one-click start, eliminating the need for manual squeezing. It's a fantastic upgrade from the traditional handheld juicing. Just cut the orange, lemon, grapefruit, whatever you'd like in half, fix one of the halves on the juicer, press the button, and voila! You get a glass of fresh juice in no time. The process is really effortless and mess-free. As you can see, the juicer efficiently squeezes the juice out of the entire orange, leaving minimal pulp residue without the need to de-seed or peel the fruit. Cleaning the juicer is a breeze as well, thanks to its several removable parts that are easy to separate and clean under running water. With the provided USB charging cable, the juicer is electric, rechargeable, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. However, it is important to note that it cannot be used while charging for safety reasons. Overall, I'm very pleased with how well my new juicer works.